So this is your impedance triangle. And like I said, your resistance will always be on the top. This is the way I draw it. Andy draws it different, but your resistance will always be on the top. X sub L or X sub C, whatever the fuck he calls it. Capacitive reactance will always be right here, and inductive reactance will always be right here. And this is your hypotenuse. This will always be your impedance. And to find this, you find on your formula sheet the square root of your resistance and your inductive reactance, and you get 11.6. So once you have that, like earlier I said that this is your angle. This will always be your angle, this one, because I always draw mine like this, so that will always be your angle. This side right here is opposite from that angle, so this will always be your opposite. This right here is adjacent to that angle, so that will always be your adjacent. This right here is your fucking hypotenuse. You should know that. But he wants you to use cosine. So when you get into the formula sheet and you see cosine right here, it says adjacent over hypotenuse. So you do adjacent over hypotenuse, that would be 10 divided by 11.6. 10 divided by 11.6. You would get 0.862. And that answer right there, that would be your power factor. That's 86% of power factor. And then to get your angle, your theta or whatever the fuck, you hit second cosine and you type that number that I just had, 0.862, and that'll give you the angle, and it's 30.4 or just 30 degrees.